luminaries, in this video I'm going to show you how to make these amazing pom-pom flower necklaces. So what you'll need are your flower pieces, a finished pom-pom. You could do a dense one, a loose one, or a really loose one, which is a starburst. Snips, thinner needles. You could use about 10 inches of thread, sewing thread, or 2 plies of embroidery floss, and then something to hang your necklace on. If you want to turn it into earrings, just jump ring and earring hoops. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so what you'll first do is you'll thread your needle. And with the needle, you're going to gently poke your pom-pom. You're looking for that tight middle tie that's holding the pom-pom together. And you're going to figure out which direction it's going. It's going in this direction. I'm going to take my needle and thread under that middle tie. There's also a detailed video on this, and I'll link to it. Okay, now make sure your ends are even, and you're going to make tight knots. Okay, once you have that tie, what you'll do is you'll thread one end and send it through one of the holes. Repeat with this other one. Okay, so once you have that complete through, we're going to make a tight knot here. So one tie and then a knot on top. Okay, so this should look like this. Now what we're going to do is we're going to send this, actually the tail, back through to completely hide it through the pom-pom. So gently push it through, pull. And now we're going to do the same. Pull through, and you're going to cut the tail. This way this is hidden quite nicely. And now what we're going to do is we're just going to take your hanging string, loop it, and take that loop through the back to front, and then go like this, and you are all done. How cute is that? Enjoy, everyone.